It's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we're making Chipotle pineapple pulled pork sandwiches. For our pulled pork, we're using pork tenderloin, and we grabbed this from Link Street Sausage at the Wincey Mills. They are known for their sausages. They do all different kinds. Anthony's a great guy. He's got fresh eggs every week. You gotta go check him out. We're going off the recipe from our website, which calls for half a cup, but we're actually going to do quarter cup of each of these products. So first, we're doing our Chipotle olive oil. And then we're also going to use a quarter cup of pineapple white balsamic. So you get that spicy and sweet flavor. Need a half tablespoon of salt. We're also using some ground pepper to taste. And you also need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And then we whisk. Once you get your tenderloin in a glass container or a plastic bag if you want to marinate that way, let's just throw our marinade in. Make sure we coat that. It smells so good. You just want to give the tenderloin a bit of a turn. Make sure it gets nice and coated. Without splashing. That looks good. So once you have this all covered, we're going to throw it in the fridge for the amount of time that our recipe does state for different meats. So for pork, that's about 2 hours. So just to prepare the crock pot, we're going to put some Barnea extra virgin olive oil in there. Again, this is the nice medium intensity olive oil from Australia. We're going to get our tenderloin in there. All the juices in there too. We're going to set this to high for 4 hours. You can do this in the oven if you want to, but we are going to do this in the crock pot. And we'll come back to this around 5, 6 o'clock. We are close to supper time. Let's take a look. Smells amazing. I don't know if we can get in there. Get a nice shot of that. Sitting in its juices. Get the spicy and smoky. And the sweetest pineapple. Awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred this. Just make sure it's all nice and covered and all that awesome flavor. I'm just gonna let that sit for another little bit. As that's cooking in the juices, we're gonna make a coleslaw. Now we did cheat a little bit. We got ourselves a little bit of bagged coleslaw here, but this is a very easy coleslaw recipe that you can either put on the side or right on the pulled pork sandwich. Oh man, the smell of all these flavors is just making my mouth water, so we need to try this right now. We as in me. Oh. The spice with the smoky, sweet of the pineapple, tang of the coleslaw. You need to make this summer. This marinade was a big hit last year for a lot of people in our store, for customers, and honestly, this is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. So again, we are using pork tenderloin. Well, not really again. Is that close enough though? So this recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of each, but we're only... No, start again. Once you get your tenderloin in the glass container. So just to prep